Hello everyone, this is Adam. I am the program manager here at the Huston-Brumbaugh Nature Center. And I'm going to show you, with the help of my assistant, how to make a simple leaf rubbing. Leaf rubbings are great activities, especially in the fall. It's an excellent way to go out and explore and to learn maybe a little bit about some of the trees and other plants that are growing around your home. So leaf rubbings are very simple, not very difficult. We have a bag of old crayons and they don't have any labels on them. And we have a piece of printer paper, and we have a leaf that we have chosen. So this happens to be the leaf of a sassafras tree, one of the three shapes of a sassafras. And so all we need to do to make a leaf rubbing is we're going to put the leaf flat down on our table. We're going to put the piece of paper directly on top, and it's important, or at least helpful, if you lay the leaf down, make sure that the veins are pointing up. It's going to give you more texture and it'll show better on your leaf rubbing. So once you do that, then you pick your favorite color crayon. I like darker colored crayons. My assistant here today has picked an orange colored crayon, and so she's going to go ahead and make that leaf rubbing. You're going to have to hold the leaf and the paper together and then go ahead and rub the crayon while it's on its side. There you go. So as you rub, the shape starts to show. Now, if you're working with a much younger assistant than I am today, sometimes it can be difficult for them to hold everything. So as a grown-up, you can help them by just holding the paper nice and flat so that they can concentrate on using the crayon and rubbing across the surface of the leaf. And it doesn't take a lot of pressure. You just kind of rub gently with the color of your choice. And as long as you're rubbing it on the side and you're holding everything still, you'll get this very nice, neat imprint of the leaf. And that is how we make a leaf rubbing. So this is just one leaf rubbing. Of course, if you're going to do this, you probably want to go out and find as many different shaped leaves as you possibly can. And this actually can turn into a really fun art project. So here is a sweet gum leaf. It's in the shape of a star, and then we colored all the way around the outside of it. So it looks like a really neat piece of art. For students or children that are interested in identifying the different trees and plants that they did their rubbings with, you can actually make your own field guide. So you can pick your leaves and make the rubbings, and then use either a field guide or an online resource to identify the leaves that you used. So in this case, we have our sweet gum, and we have a maple, a red maple. This is a black cherry. And we identified the heart-shaped one here as a red bud. We have a tulip poplar, and then of course we have our sassafras here again. And then if you have some really neat shapes, especially things like the sassafras and the tulip poplar, you can actually make some other fun crafts out of the leaves when you're finished with them. So we'll show you what we did with our tulip poplar leaves. So our tulip poplars, if you look at them carefully, they kind of look like the silhouette of a cat. And so we put little cat faces on our tulip poplar leaves. And then of course our sassafras leaves, you can see what we did with those here. We used a little Sharpie and we put some eyes and a mouth, and they look like little ghosts. So these are other fun activities you can do with your leaves once you're done making your leaf rubbings. All right. Have a great time with this activity. It's really fun, and it's a really neat way to encourage your kids to go out and explore before doing a fun project. All right, take care everyone. Bye-bye.